In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an ActiveCampaign email when a specific WooCommerce product is bought. We're going to walk through setting up a product-specific automation in ActiveCampaign so that whenever someone purchases a particular item from your WooCommerce store, they automatically receive a tailored email. This is perfect for sending onboarding instructions, upsell offers, or even a simple thank you message. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and look at the menu on the left-hand side. Find the Automations section and click on it. Once you're on the Automations page, look for the option to create a new automation. Choose Create an Automation, and when you're asked how you'd like to start, select Start from Scratch. This gives you full control over the trigger and the actions that follow. Next, we need to set the trigger that will start this automation. From the list of available triggers, choose Makes a Purchase. This tells ActiveCampaign that the automation should begin whenever a purchase is completed. Confirm that by clicking to add this as your start trigger. Now you'll see an option to select your store. Open the drop-down labeled Select Store and choose your WooCommerce store from the list. This links the automation to the correct site, so ActiveCampaign knows where the purchase data is coming from. Under the Runs setting, choose Multiple Times. This is important if you want the same contact to receive this automation every time they buy that specific product, not just the first time. Next, we're going to narrow this down so it only fires for one particular product. Check the box that says Segment the contacts entering this automation. Then click to add a condition. In the condition drop-down, go to e-commerce and choose either product name or product ID, depending on how you prefer to filter. If you use product name, make sure it matches exactly as it appears in WooCommerce to avoid any issues. Set the operator to is, which means it must match that exact product. Then, in the value field, type the exact product name or the product ID if you chose that option, and click Save. Now we'll add the email that gets sent. Click the plus icon inside the automation, choose Sending Options, then select Send an Email. From there, choose Create a New Email, and build out your message as you normally would in ActiveCampaign. Once your email is ready and everything looks good, go to the top right corner and switch the automation toggle to Active. At this point, your automation is live, and every time that specific WooCommerce product is purchased, ActiveCampaign will automatically send the email you just created